So I have also seen, I received a lot of help from strangers during my growing years. So I always believe that people help. There is a lot of help available around. When I needed help, there was someone to help. So I have seen people giving, right? So I also want to be that giver. I also want to help people because that's what I have seen in my life. And being a giver is the shortcut. Being a giver is the most selfish thing you can do, because there is a law of life works on givers gain. And why I'm sharing all these things, it is no philosophy class or spiritual class. Because of once you have that giving mindset, you always look at what you can do for others. So you are more everything, whether it is customers, whether it's your employees, whether it's your vendors, whoever it is. And that is such an important secret for growing your business. Because when you give with no intentions, there is no agenda to your giving, maybe customer service, giving them right advice, giving them right strategies. If you are in the getting mindset, you always look at how you can get whatever, how you can extract, right? But once you're in the giving mindset, your thoughts become like that, and every time it will so naturally occur to you, what can you give? Because the outcome of giving to someone else, you get the most benefited out of it, and that's the exponential business growth secret. And I have personally witnessed this and experienced in my life. This story will cover some other time. For the time being, it's very important that you have integrity, giving nature, um, and gratitude for whatever you have in your life. Very important to be grateful to your parents, your siblings, your teachers, your colleagues, whoever it is, because they have come in your life to teach you some lesson, good or bad. In your It can be good, it can be bad. For whatever reasons they have come, they are helping you evolve. And having gratitude towards them will make you more loving and compassionate, and that is also a shortcut to exponential growth in your life and business. Okay, so these are the results that you can't, there is no one-to-one mapping. Okay, so you help someone, the law of life is from somewhere else you will get help. I have personally witnessed this. We were doing SCM, some training for freshers who were struggling to find jobs. And once we gave them the necessary training, they got job and they kind of put their profiles on Naukri Monster, and they just, what do you say? They just left us and went. And I was very deeply impacted that, I gave free training to people in anticipation that they will work with me. For at least 1 year commitment, a gentleman agreement, no writing, no taking their certificates and all. Though I wanted to do that, but I said, no, I'm not going to do all these games because I trust people. And my trust was broken. Okay. And I kind of was like so hurt that I stopped the training vertical itself in my company, thinking that, people take advantage when they need help and then they go away, impacting my business, deeply impacting my business when they were struggling to get a job for 4 years post engineering. So I was so deeply hurt by this behavior of people that I stopped the training vertical. But then when I look back at my life, while I was in that phase, I was so upset with them, and I changed myself that I'm not going to give free training to anybody, because people change. So I also changed, right? But somewhere around 2012-13, when I was reflecting back on my life, I realized that because I helped so many people, the jewelry business that we started is a complete divine intervention. Intervention. From nowhere, we don't know how we arranged the finances, how everything happened. And we have seen that when you help people and with an intention to do something for them, exponential growth happens in your life, because this is a law of life. So as a self, right, these are mindset, right? When you doubt people or when people break your trust, what do you do when people break your trust? So when people broke my trust, I also became like them, right? I will not do trainings, I will not teach anybody. And I really stopped from 2007 till the time I ventured into speaking in 2017. For 10 years, I didn't want to teach anybody. Okay. So it's very important to share personal stories, because I'm not just simply reading from somewhere or talking. These are things that are no moral science class. These are things that have I have personally able to achieve so much in life because of these fundamental basic things, which I believe is a must have for success in your life.